Another thing that you need to include in your work experience folder to show your personal analysis or skills audit is a personal SWOT analysis. So I've started a new document. I've gone into table and I'm going to choose 4 down and 2 across. Strengths, weaknesses, leave a gap, opportunity and threats. And here is where I'm going to just do a go to home and do a bullet list of my strengths. Just going to highlight these and turn them into a nice heading using my styles menu. And then I'm going to change their alignment to the center so it looks nice and professional. Another way I can format my table is double click on the square in the corner of the table. That brings up the table menu, and then there's lots of different patterns or ways of making your table look fancy. So when you're ready to write your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats and don't even know where to begin to do that, what I recommend is going to Google and type in personal SWOT analysis and click on the Mind Tools link, the very first one that pops up. And this article is really helpful and has a really great video that you can watch. And that's the link there, new TMC_05_1. So that's the article I recommend that you read. That's the video I recommend you watch. And then it tells you questions to ask yourself about your strengths, questions to ask yourself about your weaknesses, what kind of opportunities that you have now, both personally and within the world around you, and what threats that there are available that are facing you at the moment, either personally or in the world around you. And then there's a good example of a SWOT analysis on this page as well to inspire you as to what to write into your own one. I hope that helps.